Okay, we're going to be taking a tour of this awesome house. It's over 3,700 square feet. It is so unique, so beautiful, and it's not your cookie cutter house, that's for sure. And it had some of the most major stuff done to it. So again, one last thing you have to think about. So the roof is completely new. All the shingles are new. The upper area here, the trusses, and all the skylights, everything is new. And I'll show you inside as well, because there's some new stuff in there, which is absolutely beautiful. And the yard is massive at 0.3 of an acre, so it's 12,632 square feet. So you can see this home, it's absolutely beautiful. It stands out. It's on a big lot. It's beautifully manicured and still room if someone wanted to do more. I should mention it does have an air conditioning unit, and on days like this, we really do appreciate it. And check out this massive storage shelter, just anything you want to plunk down here, keep out of the elements. It's just really nice. You can park your vehicles in here, or maybe a small RV, travel trailer, whatever you want. The point is you have some roof here, which is fantastic. So it's a beautiful space here. It's just massive. And then you have this incredible yard. Like everything is usable. It's quite flat. It's just gorgeous. It's really practical. You have this beautiful, beautiful deck here. There we go. And it comes off the living room, and I'll show you that as well. Nice tree for shade. And this is so nice. You have kids and dogs and everybody playing in here. It's just a beautiful spot, little picnic table there. And you can see the house from here as well. Isn't that beautiful? It has a hot tub and this bottom deck here. So from the basement, you would be able to come in and out because it's a walkout basement. So you come in and out of these doors. Then you have this awesome deck here, and then the hot tub here, which is fantastic. It's just beautiful. Nicely landscaped. A lot of greenery. I would add a few more flowers in here and just make it really pop. And a little garden bed here. I love this. It's like a little tucked away, but it is a little garden bed. And this door goes to the back of the garage here. So yeah, let's go take a look inside. Can't wait to show you. This home has so much to offer, and it's so unique and it's so special, and you could do so much because you have this space in this home, which I really, really like. And I always appreciate when it's too small or too cramped or very, very specific to whatever the layout. Sometimes you might not be able to get creative and do different things, but in this home, that's not the case. You can make things happen here. The downstairs can be an in-law suite, or you can maybe rent it to Airbnb, or you can do whatever you want, projects, crafts. There's just a lot of opportunity. And then you have that beautiful loft upstairs. But yeah, let's go show you. I love this little glass window. So here we go. So as soon as you enter, there is this mud room and a coat closet, which is absolutely lovely. And the ceilings are incredible here. Let me just close that door behind me. All right, so take a look, and the beautiful hardwood floors. So I like that this is tile. This is your mudroom. This is where you're going to unload when it's wet outside, when it's snowing. It's just brilliant to have that. But then when you do kind of leave your shoes here, you have this incredible, incredible space, and it's absolutely breathtaking. And look at the loft. So the skylights are brand new. The tongue and groove ceiling, everything is new. It's just beautiful. Like it's ready to move in. It's gorgeous. And this space has so much opportunity. I love homes that have a lot of options to do something with. So this is one of those homes. They're not cookie cutter. It's a unique home. It's gorgeous and it has a lot to offer. So, I mean, if your imagination can run wild, I say you could do it. And look at the brickwork, and you have this gorgeous gas fireplace here, and the brickwork is incredible. Like the uniqueness of it, and it's almost artsy, and I just absolutely love it. I'll show you the loft in a sec, and it has an awesome deck out there as well. And again, these high ceilings, beautiful floors. These French doors go into this area here. This was a nice little area for a dining room. It's close to the kitchen, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. But again, it leaves room to really utilize the space the way you want it. And there's a wood burning fireplace here, but because there's so much room. Like this home is about 3,700 square feet. I love this little area for like a piano. That's where it was last time. I just thought that was really tasteful and beautiful. And then as we walk through here, and then we go into this kitchen. So this kitchen is spacious. Has an awesome little cooktop here, a little eating area, and it's beautiful. I love the warmth of the wood. I think it's gorgeous. It's not spanking new or anything like that, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's functional, it's large. It has tons of windows, so it is bright. It has the skylights here. So again, skylights are new. It's beautiful. It's got the 2 windows and a sliding door and an area to even park if someone wanted to come in this way. So just an awesome space. Love the little eating area. And just really functional here. I absolutely love this kitchen. I love the size, I love the island. And if somebody wanted to do some updates down the road, it's super functional and super easy to do that because you have the space to do that. And just really quickly before we move on, this is the door to the garage as well, and this is the stairs down to the basement. So I'll show you that as well. It's a walkout basement, so again, just opens up for opportunities, and if you wanted to do anything really cool, like a little in-law suite or a maybe legal suite or something like that, you might be able to. So again, this property is just super unique. It's so special. It has so many cool little features that you won't find in another home. So if someone is looking for something different, it's not your cookie cutter home, this is just this really cool place. So this is another bedroom here. Love the wood. I mean, it just feels so warm and so beautiful. A good sized bedroom here. And then we come here, and this has the laundry and a stand-up freezer, which is always nice to have. And then you have this beautifully updated bathroom. Like, this is gorgeous with black accents, fixtures. Everything is brand new here. Just absolutely incredible work. I love that, especially for a main bathroom where you're going to have guests and people coming and using it as well. And then it has a bedroom here. So it has 2 bedrooms on the main floor, and these are really good size. So love it. And it has a closet, has a nice window overlooking the backyard, carpeted here. And I need to take you upstairs before we go down. So through the living room area here, so this is the front door where we came. This is that beautiful living room, sliding door to the outside. That's that big deck in the back. And these gorgeous hardwood floors. You go up the stairs and you have this incredible loft. Just absolutely incredible. I mean, office space, master bedroom, whatever you need. It does have a ensuite here and like really deep closet. So it's really nice. I love this as a master bedroom and an office or library or a seating area here. There's just, again, there's possibilities, opportunities with this home. I love the amount of windows and skylights that it has. It just gives it so much natural light. And there's no, I don't think I turned on the lights here. And this is all just natural lights from the windows. And look at that. And we came up those stairs. This is actually a good view from here. There you go. Like, look at the little accents there. Like, oh, there it is, that little window. All these windows, there's a little deck outside. It's just beautiful. And then deep closets here, so which is really great if you want to use it as a master or just more storage. And this was recently painted as well. Nice big soaker tub, shower. And I love this deck. This patio is so nice, and you get really great views from here too. Let's take a look. Look at that. Beautiful views. This is a good one to show you the backyard as well from this angle. And this is this beautiful backyard here. There's the hot tub. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go downstairs. I need to show you the basement because again, I'm working off of opportunities and there's just so much you can do with this space. Okay, so let's go down and I'll show you that. All right, so here we are in the basement. Tons of space. It's a walkout basement, and I'm in love with this retro tile. I don't know what it is, but brand new carpeting here as well. So, and then it has your walkout doors here. And here we have the hot tub and this deck here as well. All right, let's finish with the basement here. Beautiful stonework. I just absolutely love that. Like if you wanted to do an in-law suite, this is just so perfect. It has a full bathroom here with shower. Just the opportunities are here. Going back to the opportunities. So yes, so full washroom, absolutely beautiful. Love this carpet, so plush, it feels really nice. And then this really nice bedroom, closet, everything. It's just really beautiful. Nice big rec room. And then here you have storage galore. So much storage in here. This is where the furnace room is, but there's just so much storage. You can store a lot of stuff in here, or maybe fix it up and convert it into something usable, have it as a workshop, whatever you choose, because it has this space. If you don't have the space, that's a different story. If you have the space, you can really utilize it and do whatever you'd like with the space. And then last but not least, a little bit of a cold room, more storage, and like you could even do like a little kitchenette here as well, canning room, whatever you would like. It's set up for that, which is fantastic. So there is that as well. So yeah, so that concludes our tour. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me.